Most people use ChatGPT for random questions, but if you use it the right way, it can seriously boost your daily productivity. In this guide, I'll show you simple ways to use ChatGPT smarter so you save time, finish work faster, and stay organized. Start by using ChatGPT to plan before you work. Ask it to create outlines, to-do lists, schedules, or step-by-step plans. Planning first saves hours later. Instead of one huge request, split your task into smaller prompts. Ask for an outline, then details, then improvements. This gives you clearer results and keeps you focused. ChatGPT is best for first drafts. Use it to generate emails, posts, scripts, or reports quickly, then edit them yourself. This speeds up your workflow without sacrificing quality. To work faster, ask ChatGPT for multiple versions at once. For example, request 3 email drafts or 5 title ideas. Picking from options is much quicker than starting from scratch. You don't need to rewrite your prompt every time, just refine the answer, ask it to shorten, simplify, expand, or change tone. Yeah, this keeps your workflow smooth and fast. One of the biggest productivity hacks is saving prompts that work well. Create a small prompt library for emails, writing, planning, or research. Reusing good prompts saves tons of time. ChatGPT works best when you treat it like an assistant. Give it context, explain your goal, and guide the response. The more direction you give, the more productive it becomes. And that's it. If you plan first, break tasks into steps, and reuse good prompts, ChatGPT can become one of the biggest productivity tools you use every day.